Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Capcut to create videos easily for studying or just for fun. So after you downloaded the Capcut app, just open and click new project, and then you can add some videos or photos or stock videos in Capcut. For example, I choose these photos and this video, and then click add below. So here you can check out the preview panel, timeline and toolbar features. We can doing how to split clips, how to resize videos, how to mirror video, how to rotate, how to add audio, text, sticker, effect, and many more you can get in from Capcut. So just edit as you like, and upload it. After finish editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner. So that's this video how to use Capcut to create videos easily. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.